In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Shippo with Shopify. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly use the Shippo application in your Shopify store. So all that you have to do is access your Shopify dashboard. So through a web browser, go over to admin.shopify.com, and when you arrive at this page after signing into your account, go over to Add Apps at the left. You will be able to browse through various applications here, and then you can select Get More Recommendations in the Shopify App Store. You will be redirected into the App Store, and all that you have to do here is look for Shippo. So look for the application. It should be the second one or the first, depending on the results that show up on your account. So just go ahead and choose Shippo, Simplified Shipping. As you can see, connect the Shopify, sync order into Shopify to stay updated in real time, ship fast, quickly compare rates, print labels, batch print and more, tracking, branded shipping and returns. Works with USPS, UPS, FedEx, DHL Express, Amazon and Etsy. So all that you have to do now is go ahead and install. It is free to install and you will be able to set it up. You can get the professional plan, which has a lot more features included, but for the most part, you will be able to get this process done for free. So as you can see, it will need access to all of this information here. If you are okay with this, just click install, but it is going to be completely safe, so don't worry. It is fully integrated, and once you click on accept, you will be able to sign into your Shippo account. So include your first name, last name, a valid email address, and of course, I'm only doing this to demonstrate how it will look like. I don't actually have an email address here, but regardless, you will still be able to get this process done. Just follow the instructions on screen and you will be able to sign into your Shippo account. Once you are properly signed in, you will be able to manage the dashboard on Shippo alongside Shopify. You will see an icon next to any orders integrated between both, and you can manage them as needed. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Shippo with Shopify. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.